Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Excalibur Roundtable Tech Talk. I am Mike Fuson. As we continue to discuss I&O maturity, let's look at some strategies that we can use that would drive us forward from a maturity perspective. So one of the first things that tends to come up is the tools. I'm a big believer that process should come first, but so often one of the greatest challenges that organizations have are their tool sets. The tools are diverse. Some of them have been around for a long time. There's been other tools for other purposes shoehorned in, and we have this plethora of tools. One of the ways in maturing the organization is to take a very strategic look at those sets of tools and start to understand and document what do each of those tools provide for us. You will find crossover within the tools, as we all do. That is going to be natural. There's not generally one tool to rule all, but how do we get that down to a more manageable set of tools is taking a look at moving to an AI ops type platform like a Science Logic or Resolve, going to be more efficient for us. That's going to take care of a number of things. Our log aggregation, we're going to have some AI in there for deduplication of logs and alerts to let us understand that information better. And then even being able to then move to a more of a process automation level where we're able to take actions based on alerts that are presented and understand what's going on in our overall infrastructure. Is that what we need? You may already have some tools that are doing those things. Well, how are we leveraging them? Are we leveraging them efficiently? Are there other things that we could be doing with the tools that we already have? So taking a long, hard look and being able to analyze and understand what our technology stack looks like will be one of the places that you want to start. We do definitely, though, need to discuss process, and I'll talk about that in our next episode. So stay with us as we continue to explore I&O maturity within our organizations.